better we can go to like this.
Okay. Okay.
This is our normal position
Okay.
of selection knob. There is one lock. This
Steer
is
clip.
lock.
Yeah.
Yeah. We remove first this one, then just pull this one. There is some sound. Don't scare this sound. So
Don't lose the spring.
yeah, yes. Also, this spring is very important. This is like this.
Okay. Should be
Can
like
try
that.
this.
The position should be
Yeah,
like that.
position. Then you have to pull this one. Top.
Okay.
Then you can
By just mention if you can insert something.
yeah, insert
to-
something like this.
To
Anything if you have like this.
Yes.
You can insert.
okay.
And then remove this one.
Okay.
And fix back new one.
And the new one. Then
Yeah.
when you are
use
when you are
when you
now
are going to fix back new one,
yes.
just apply this one on thread side.
Okay.
This
Thread side.
Then you have to fix back.
Okay. Then fix.
Normal tight. Don't tight with this one because this will be damaged.
Yes.
Not your knob will not get fixed. So normally only tight this one.
Okay.
After that you have to use this one. This
To
one
fix.
yeah, fix for a pressure knob.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, this side should be came top
Should
side.
be outside.
Yeah.
Facing outside.
Yeah. Like
Because what?
because
the
if we are using like this, it will be free.
it will not
It
go.
will be like this.
Yes.
moving or
So
something
it
like
should
this.
stay on
Yeah,
that
stay
group.
on group. Like this.
Okay.
After that, make sure this position should be came here. Yeah, this position should be like this. Fixing like this, then you have to go to stop position. This is our stop position,
Okay.
and put back this circlip
Steer clip.
here, this side. Top side.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, this is our final position. We have to go like this. This is stop position. This is manual. This is remote. So
Okay.
we can use any position.